Shalom, Acts 10:28. And he said to them, "You yourselves know how unlawful it is for a Jew to associate with or to visit anyone of another nation. But God has shown me that I should not call any person common or unclean." Peter had a vision on the rooftop of all foods being clean. This was God's way of letting him know that even though Jews did not mix with Gentiles, especially when it came to eating food, those days were behind him. God, by the shed blood of Yeshua, had made all foods eatable. This was also God's way to teach Peter that through Yeshua's death, all men can come to God as his children and become one new man. We remain Jews and Gentiles within the body of Messiah, but God has allowed for perfect unity within because he destroyed the middle wall of partition. Be blessed.